Introducing Global Edge Engineering Assistant. Global Edge Engineering Assistant is an automated workflow system that works with your existing software technologies to increase engineering capacity. Global Edge is your engineering virtual assistant that is built around SolidWorks, and helps automate labor-intensive workflow tasks associated with the quoting, engineering and manufacturing workflow process. Global Edge Engineering Assistant is an automated workflow system that includes 8 key areas to increase engineering capacity. Automated Production Work Queue. Automated CAD Part Analysis. Automated Sheet Metal Batch Unfolding. Manufacturability Testing. Automated CAM, Program Generation. Automated Routing Generation. Automated Product Configuration. Automated Sales Quote Generation. Global Edge Engineering Assistant starts with an automated production work queue that can automatically process labor-intensive engineering workflow tasks that includes the preparation of information for the shop floor without human intervention. This optionally includes the download of daily orders from ERP, including the automated processing of configuring and resizing of sheet metal parts based on customer specifications. This also includes the generation of DXF flat files for nesting software and the automated incorporation of extended data to drive automated bent program generation. Additionally, the automated production work queue can perform a manufacturability test on each sheet metal part to determine if the part can be successfully fabricated on the shop floor before leaving engineering. Global Edge Engineering Assistant also provides automated functionality that can produce a complete job order from your CAD model assemblies that includes a complete manufacturing bill of materials with optimal routing steps that can be integrated with your scheduling, MES software. Global Edge Engineering Assistant works with your existing CAD, CAM, ERP, and MES software to automate and eliminate labor-intensive workflow tasks associated with the engineering and manufacturing workflow process. This can significantly reduce labor costs while increasing engineering capacity and increase shop floor velocity. To schedule a demonstration and learn how the Global Edge Engineering Assistant can help your company increase engineering capacity and save thousands of hours, please visit www.ldcglobal.com.